So for this example, we will present to you we'll show you how to create a data set containing information of the following variable. We'll have the sex. We have many individuals that will record the sex, the age of the individual. We have a salary. Another variable will be the country of the individual, and we'll have a COVID variable that will see or show if whether or not individual have a COVID-19. And for country, there are Central African country such as Cameroon, Chad, Central African Republic, Equatorial Guinea, and Gabon, as well as Democratic Republic of Congo. So how to create such variables, such variable in SPSS. So we'll come here. Our first variable that we are going to create is just a variable sex of the individual. So we create first of all the variable that will be the identification of. So we can create our sex variable here. So coming to in these cells, we'll create we'll type sex, and you can see that when we click on enter, the default value for all these have been created automatically. The type is numeric. The numeric type is the by default type. The width is 8 decimal. Label of the variable. We will put the label of our variable here. So for numeric, we will keep the type as numeric. The width will just put here 1. We use the width to 1 only, because sex, for example, we have 2 modality, 1 for male and 2 for female. So here we have number of decimal. We don't need to have decimal here, so we'll put 1 here. Decimal we put 0, and width we'll just have put 1 as width here. So for label we put here sex of the individual. The sex of the individual. Our second variable for the value set, we will define a value set here. Value set we will have here 1. Value will be 1 for male. We put on at. The second value will be 2 for female. We put on at. You can modify male. Put on change. So we have also defined the data, the value set for our variable sex. Our second variable that we will have will be age, the age of the individual. We have here age. By default value has been generated. We'll let it as it is. So with age, you can change with as well as decimal, but we will keep it like it is. For the label, we'll put here age of the individual. The age of the individual. Value set, no value set here. So our third variable will be the salary, month salary. We put here salary. Numeric it will just put here monthly salary of the individual. Monthly salary of the individual. Another variable will be the country. And as country, as we said, we have 6 countries: Cameroon, Chad, Central Africa Republic, Equatorial Guinea, and Gabon, and Democratic Republic of Congo, that are Central Africa country. So we'll put here a country, numerical, decimal only 0, decimal, if will be 1, label will be the country of origin country. We'll put here origin country. Origin country. Here for 1 we will have Cameroon. At 2, second country will be Chad. Our second country will be Chad. Our third country in this series will be Equatorial Guinea. At no, our third country is not Equatorial Guinea, but Central Africa Republic. Third, Central, I will modify Central Africa Republic. I click on change. Okay. Our fourth country will be Equatorial Guinea. Fifth country will be Gabon. Finally, the sixth, it will be the Democratic Republic of Congo. So fifth, Gabon. And finally, sixth country will be the Democratic Republic of Congo. Click on add and then click on OK. So we have already created our first variable. Our last variable will be the variable on COVID. And we'll have no decimal, 1 as a width. We have here weather. The individual have COVID or not. And for this variable, we'll define the variable, the first label 1. 1 will be for yes or have COVID. And 0 for do not have COVID. add, then click on OK. So while you have defined a different data set, the different characteristic and variable, like here, you can click on this icon here, just behind edit to record what you are already done. Click on save to save all the work you have done so far. Click on save, and we'll ask you to record this in the data file that you can select on your computer and browse in order to record in the given data set. I will call it COVID data underscore data. We'll choose the option SPSS 7.7.0 COVID underscore data. Then click on save, and our data set have been saved on the file that just defined. And here you can see that it is possible now to type your data. If we go on data view, you can see that variable sex, age, salary, country, and COVID has been created. And the next step here is just to type in data. So we can type here 1, sex, 45, salary, 90, country, 2, COVID 0, past previous second individual, sex can be 2, for example, age 40, salary 2050, country 1, COVID 1, have COVID, and so on. You can type in your data.